Welcome back to my channel. This is the another episode of content writing with Neela Priya. Let's get started. So writers who are using AI in the recent times, don't be afraid that your creative will take over by the AI. So or maybe you're just using AI but feel your content is starting to sound like robotic. So don't worry. So today I'll share how to use AI as a writing assistant, not a replacement. So you can create content that's fast, unique and full of your personal touch. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Neela Priya from EduBrains. On this channel, I teach content writing and help you grow as a successful writer. So make sure to subscribe because I'll also share my secret AI prompts in the upcoming video. Let's get started. AI in writing the reality. So AI tools like Chatgpt, Jasper or WriteSonic can generate ideas in seconds. So it's great for saving time, creating outlines and generating ideas. But here's the truth. AI lacks emotion, personal experiences and storytelling. The very things that make your content memorable to audience. So instead of fearing AI, let's learn how to use it smartly. So number one is about using AI for brainstorming and not for final drafts. So ask AI to suggest you topics, outlines and ideas rather than just copy pasting the things which AI is giving you. Talk with AI like a friend. Ask AI to suggest you 10 blog topics on the recent trends. Then pick the best idea out of it and add your unique touch to it. Step 2 is going to be your personal stories and examples in the content. So AI can never replicate your experiences. So always add your personal anecdotes, client stories and real time examples so that it can make your content authentic and it will be relevant to the audience also. Step 3 is about editing and humanizing AI content. So never copy paste the AI text. Rewrite sentences in your voice, change the tone, add creativity and make it flow naturally. Step 4 is about using AI for research and SEO. See, not all the content you see online is true. Always check for the authentic websites to clarify the content is genuine or not. So AI is great for quick summaries, keyword ideas and SEO suggestions, but always fact check. Don't blindly trust everything it generates. Step number 5 is about writing your soul out. So keep your writing style alive. So using AI as a helper but maintain your signature tone. So readers come for you, not just for information. So think of AI as a co-writer that gives ideas while you bring the soul. Here is the bonus tip. So mix AI with creativity by using it to create drafts quickly and then spending time on polishing it. So if you want my top 10 prompts to make AI write in your style, please comment prompt below. So writers who learn to use AI smartly will always stay ahead. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. See you all in the next video.